Introducing the Lightbulb Series by Valkyrie Investments, where we cover crypto topics requested by you in 5 minutes or less. Today, we're addressing Bitcoin's recent drop and El Salvador's Bitcoin adoption. Let's dive in.
So today we're going to talk about El Salvador and the Bitcoin market. So yesterday, El Salvador adopted Bitcoin as its official currency. Many Bitcoiners around the world bought $30 worth of Bitcoin each to support El Salvador's decision. Despite this, it was a risk-off trade in the general market. So after a 3-day weekend, Wall Street came back and began to sell into that strength for Bitcoin, causing both Bitcoin and several other crypto assets to go down in price. In response to the risk-off trade in the crypto markets, leveraged buyers began to also sell because they were over-levered. So that caused Bitcoin to drop as much as 15%, as well as other crypto assets dropping off from there as well. Today, we've seen prices come back up, and we do expect to see prices go up from here through the rest of the year.
Thanks for joining us today. If you want to learn more about something in the crypto sphere, please reach out to us at lightbulb@valkyrieinvest.com. You can also find us on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube. The opinions presented herein are solely of the individual and not necessarily representative of Valkyrie Investments, Inc. and their affiliates. There is no guarantee that any specific outcome will be achieved. Investments may be speculative, illiquid, and there is a risk of total loss of your investment. Past performance is not indicative of future results.